So hello guys, I hope you're doing well today, and let's start this video. Today in this video I'll teach about what is the use of mkdir command. So mkdir actually stands for make directory. Yeah, directory. It says that I'll make a directory, so it is self-explanatory. So let's say that I need to do some directory name that will be dir, something like that. So dir file exists. Okay, let me take another name that will be ice. Okay, let's see the ice folder created. Yeah, it's created. So it's self-explanatory that mkdir stands for make directory. So let's see any arguments that we can use with mkdir command. So that will be mkdir -p. So what is this -p? So it is nothing but creating a parent directory. You need if you need to create directory inside directory. Let me give an example. So now you created ice directory, so you'll go inside that ice directory, then you will create another directory that name will be like ice1 or something like that. Let's ls and do it. So ice1 is there, so let's come back and do ls. So ls ice I'll do, then you can see that directory is created inside ice directory. Let me say that instead of doing this and all, I just need to create a directory, and I need to create another directory inside that, or another directory inside that. So for that you need to use mkdir -p. Then let me say I need to create car directory. So fine, now I created car directory. I need to create one more that will be like a company name of that car directory. Sorry, of that car company name. Then I need to create one more directory that is called model. What model it is. Then I need to create another directory. Let's say that I'll finish it off this much. We have car directory. Inside that directory we have company directory. Inside that directory we have model directory. So let's press enter. A permission, let's give the permission that will be sudo stands for super user do. Then it asks for the password, then it's created. Let's see do ls. So where is the car directory here? I can't see the car directory here, I guess. Let's do it again. So mkdir, so -p. So I'm doing car. Then let's say the company name, let's say the model. Okay, let's do ls. Yeah, the car directory is created. Let me go inside the car directory. Let's do ls. So company directory also created. Let's go inside company directory. Let's see the model is created. Yes, the model is created now. So that is the use of -p. Let's say you have a directory. Sorry, you need to create a directory, but that should be accessible by only the user. Like if I create a directory, then no one should use it. Any other person who is connected to my server should not use it. So let me say that using mkdir and -yum. Yum is basically specifies what do you call permission or like something like that. Or we can check in man page, man mkdir. So it says mode. Let me clear it up. Mkdir and yum. Let me give some permission that will be 755, and let me create one new folder that will be new fol folder. See that permission. Let me see that permission. See, there is one folder called where is that folder? Yeah, new folder. It has some different permissions. So it is the users, that is a root as a permission to write, read, write and execute, and the user has the permission to read and execute, but you don't have the permission to rewrite or change anything. And the others also have the permission like the same like that. So that is the use of yum with using the permission. Let me create another file saying that I need to give permission for all the people, like all the rights, right? Read, write and execute 777. So this is the dangerous what do you call, the number that which will give the permission for all user group and others. So we need to be careful while using the 777. Let me create a folder that will be, let me take one folder name that will be light. Yeah, let's do ls and c. So there is a light folder and see the permission. So anyone can execute it, anyone can rewrite, anyone can execute whatever the modification that they need, anyone can do it. That is the dangerous, because that is too dangerous, right? So if you have a about what important secret files and all, so anyone can see it, anyone can download or execute something. So be careful using this 777 with this change mod or something, change permission for giving a permission for a file. The last parameter, that argument will be, instead of creating one file, let me say that I need to create multiple files. Yeah, you can do that also. So let me do ls, you find light 1, light 2, light 3. You can also use mkdir to create multiple files. That is that will be really great, right? Instead of creating only one file and again typing my mkdir, that will be, it takes it takes more time, sorry. Yeah, that is what the use of mkdir. So this is up, guys, and mkdir helps us to create folders. And thank you for watching. Bye.